Hello, my name is Mong Her, and I'm doing this web project for my web design class 225-01, Professor Faisal Kaleem. I'm doing this video for educational purposes only, and I'm not liable for any damages done while you doing my tutorial. Um, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create your own banner / advertisement for your web page or your blog. Today specifically, I'll be showing you guys how to embed this banner within your blogging site. I'll be using specifically blogger.com. And afterwards, I'll be talking about AdSense versus creating your own ads and how the pros and cons of each. And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you will want to do is go to google.com. Once you're there, search Aliosoft Flash Banner Maker. Click on the first link, and then navigate to the download section. And then, as you can see here, Flash Intro Banner Maker. Click that, and wait for it to install. After you have downloaded and installed Alio Flash Intro Banner Maker to your computer, double-click it. Click on Continue Evaluation. As you can see, there are two windows here. The first one here is the program itself, and the second one is a preview of the banner that we will be making. The first thing that you will want to do is click on background. For this section right here, you do not have to worry about it because we will be adding our own image. To add our own image, check this box right here. Click on Add and add your desired image. This image can be any image that you want. It can be an image of yourself, or it can be an image that you have created. Click on Open. And as you can see on our preview section over here, our image is over here. Doesn't look too good right now because it seems like we're missing some pieces of it, so let's resize it. Go back to your program and click on the size and sound section. Since I already know my width and height of my photo, I can just resize it to the correct size. 400 by 300. As you can see in the preview, it looks much better. After this, you can go into the effects. As you can see, there's the default cloud effects, but we might not want that in our advertisement. So let's look for something that will match. It's too much. Perfect. This will work. After you have added your effect to your photo, we would like to add text. Click on Text, Image, and Swift. To add text, click the Add Text button. In this box, we can add any text we want. I would add computer repair. Maybe best computer repair. Leave everything as is and just click OK. As you can see in the preview section, it'll pop up best computer repair. We can also add as much text as we want. I would like to add another one. Click me, click here to visit my page. Click OK again, and as you can see, both texts are showing. They're overlapping, but this is easy. We can fix this by go back and click on your first text and go to the position for the side navigation here. Click on position. As you can see, our offset here is horizontal. We want to move it vertically, so let's move this to negative 150. Oh, that's too high, so let's try 120. Okay, that works. Seems like our left and right positioning is okay for that text, so we're good to go. So for our second text, we can move it down. So let's focus on the vertical position also again, but this time we're going positive to go down. Let's try 50. Still not long enough. 75. 100. That works out for me. After you have finished positioning your text, we can move on to the font tab. In this tab, we can edit our font. We can add our font, the size, and if you want it bold, italicized, or underlined. I'm going to leave the defaults and click on bold. You can also change the color, but I'm going to leave that as is. And for the font border, maybe changed it up a little bit. That looks good. Click OK. And we're done with this tab. Next, we can go to the Effect tab, and we can add any effect that we want. Fly bottom. Arrow. Probably keep this one for the click here to visit my page. And for the best computer repair, color transition. I like this. I'll keep it as this. And after that, let's go back to our click here to visit my page text and click on web link. We'll want to set a web link to this, so whenever they click here to visit my page, it will redirect them to a different website. So let's check open web page when user clicks on the text. Our target blank. Our address. I'll be redirecting this straight to my blog page. And we're good to go. After you're done adding a link onto the text, we can move on to the next step. For the web links, you only need to do this if you don't add any web link to the text that you're adding. This right here, if you check this right here, whenever you click the Flash movie, it'll redirect the user to your website or the website that you wanted them to go visit. But for now, we don't need to do this because we already add the web link to our text. The next step is the final step, which is to publish it. Click on the Publish to Banner button and then click Publish. Leave everything as is and just click OK. Save it to wherever location you want to save it to. For me, I'm going to be saving to my desktop. I'm going to name it Banner 2. Save it as Flash movie, as a split file. Click Save and let it do its magic, and we're good to go. Okay, so the next step is to copy and paste this code to your HTML of your website or to a blog that you created. I'll be using blogger.com, so I'll be showing you guys through blogger.com. once you got to blogger.com, look at any of your blogs. I only have one blog, so I'll be editing this blog by clicking the go to post list button in the middle. Click on layout and click on add a gadget. From here, you'll want to scroll down until you see HTML and JavaScript. Click on that and give it a title. I'll be naming it computer ad. Click on the content and paste the code that you've copied from Notepad. And click save. As you can see, computer ad gadget pops up right here. And click on preview to make sure that the ad is working and it's there. It's here, but it seems like it's not really oriented well, so let's resize this. Go back, click on edit, and as you can see within our code, we can resize the advertisement. So let's resize this. It was the width that was too big. Let's resize it to 300. So height 300, width 300. Save, and then go to preview, and it looks good. Exit that and click on save arrangement, and now it's saved. Go to view blog on the top, and as you can see here, our computer ad has its name right here, and it's nicely and neatly oriented within this section. And as you can see, we can click on the hair to visit the page that we redirected it to, and there you go. It works perfectly fine. And that's how you create an advertisement for your own blog or website. I hope you guys enjoyed this how-to video, and I had a lot of fun creating this, and I hope you guys will also. I will put all the links and the code within the description box below, and please like this video, and I hope you guys learned something from this. Thank you so much. For the next section of this video, I'll be comparing Google AdSense to creating your own ad yourself. Google AdSense is essentially an advertisement company that Google made in order to advertise ads from all over, and if you join this Google AdSense program, they'll pay you through how many clicks people click on your ads and how many times people visit your website or your YouTube videos. This is good in a way because it's good free revenue if a lot of people come and visit your website or your Google YouTube videos. You'll get good amount of revenue if you get enough people to come see your website or your YouTube videos. The bad thing about this is you're not really advertising anything that's of your product or what you want to sell online. So you can use Google AdSense on your website, but the person who's going to benefit the most, the people who are going to benefit the most is Google, because they're using you as a host to host their ads. You will be gaining revenue, but not as much as you could if it was your own advertisement. So that's the bad thing about Google AdSense. Good thing about creating your own advertisement is whenever somebody clicks it, it will direct to your site, which is great because you're pretty much advertising your website. You can put this up for any website you want. Also, you can put it on your website, you can put it on any website you want. You're just gonna have to ask them for permission to put it on there, and you might have to pay them a little bit, but in the long run it's worth more to create your own ad and post it up. The only The only downfall of creating your own ad is if you don't know how to create your own ad, and if you can't sell, then you're not gonna make anything out of it. You're just gonna be wasting your time, and you're just gonna be wasting money. But if you can, and if you can create your own ads and make it look really flashy and make it consumer friendly, then people will like it. They'll click it, and it'll be redirected towards your website or your blog, and there you go. You have more users coming to your website, and you are giving them the choice to check out the things on your website. And that's pretty much all I have to say about Google AdSense and making your own ads. Thank you for watching this video, and please do like this video, and I will appreciate it a lot. And thank you for your time, and until next time, see you guys later.